We love recognizing our STEAM superstars.
What STEAM-related activities have you done this week?
Shout-outs to Chris, Kobe, Little Destin, Nasir, Nylan, Aria, Malia, Jaden, and Samantha.
If you helped in the kitchen, that could be science.
If you use a laptop to watch us, that's technology. If you played with your building blocks, that's engineering. If you count the number of books on your bookshelf, that's math. Science, technology, engineering, and math is STEM. Every person watching this is a STEM star. STEM is all around you. STEM makes learning and playing fun. So keep exploring and expressing your STEM creativity. Tell us what STEM activities you did this week. Have you parents put it in the comments?